ISAIC is about delivering advanced, transformative, and integrated solutions for advanced manufacturing and training for the apparel and textile industry. In our new space, we have more room to really demonstrate in real time these technologies. So for us, we are ready for this. We are also no longer a proof of concept. We are a working center that brings integrated solutions, and Tukatech really represents that. So we are really excited to have this operating in our space out of our headquarters so that we can both demonstrate it to the industry broadly, but also bring it to the local community of Detroiters. We are very careful about choosing technology partners. And after long consideration and looking what's out in the industry, we really believe that Tukatech is a whole system. It's digital platform software plus equipment together that bridges the gap between design and actual production. They're in thousands of sites across the world. I believe they're in 50 plus countries. So certainly beyond proven. We just believe that this is a system that can really help to bring capabilities to the US that we currently don't have. And it is a way to democratize fashion, to allow designers to learn how to be in a digital environment to design for manufacturing.
Cost of labor and cost of material, guaranteed they will continue to go up. Question now is, how do you control it? So the automation, the technology, the handling the problem straight on is the only approach. So reduce the labor, cost goes down. Reduce the cost of material by utilizing as much as you can.
With Detroit as our headquarters, our home, our community, we want to make sure that whatever we have as a national institute, we share with Detroiters. So part of what we're doing in our new space is increasing access. So Tukatech is one of our assets. So now a designer doesn't have to leave the state or leave the country even to sample and manufacture their product. A Detroiter that really has found themselves compelled to be in fashion, they can learn the fundamentals, but they don't have to leave to learn the rest. So we believe it's providing economic mobility for Detroiters and that it has an economic impact for the businesses that this is going to help to spawn and grow.
The industry has been fragmented. We don't have everything under one roof. We don't have everything in one city. We generally have part of the services, part of the offerings. So this is where what ISAIC is putting in, which is like a whole lot of contractors with a whole lot of services available under one roof. You don't have to go from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4. You can go 1 to 7 to 9 because that's what you needed, or 1 to 4 to 6 to 8, and that's what you needed. And then you can pivot because your cost is only very little rather than making a big investment into the entire infrastructure. Teaching hands-on, teaching sewing and designing and pattern making and grading and marker making and cutting, printing, design the print, go from one end to the other. This is like a big university, all put together. Any segment they want to get in, it'll be easier for them to go through the ISAIC training school, understand the processes. I believe the manufacturing has to be where it's consumed. The idea is to make what you need, when you need, for who you need. We call that demand manufacturing. In order to do that, ISAIC is placing themselves exactly where it should be.
One of our core beliefs is that people and technology go together. They are not disjointed. They are not separate efforts or systems. People and technology must happen to advance our industry. You can advance the technology, but if it's still reliant on exploiting people, it's not sustainable. You can advance people, but if you don't give them the skills of advanced technology, they are not going to be competitive and they're not going to be future skilled. So for us, it ticks all the boxes where you're advancing people, you're advancing technology on behalf of creating a better industry for both industry and people. ISAIC views itself as a partner of industry, and by the programs that we offer, by our partnerships with technology like Tukatech, we help to provide and build the confidence for industry to transform. Sometimes it's hard to know how to transform when you're trying to build your business, got a business to run. Here at ISAIC, we really can de-risk these things so that we can help give industry the confidence to transform.
In 2000, I was presented by a project report from a very young man. And it was so impressive. It looked like this person owns a multi-million-dollar business. Found out that he works out of his garage, and he went to a place called Kinko's. Next thing you know is an idea in my head, why can't we have a Kinko's for the garment industry? So the first Kinko's of TUKAcenters were installed here in Los Angeles in 2002. Today we have more than 75 centers globally. And I'll tell you something, I've made more friends who have become very successful designers, manufacturers, importers, exporters. There are so many ideas people get. Sadly, there aren't any resources or small factories or big factories who are ready to take that experiment. And that's where ISAIC is doing a phenomenal job. I've been working with ISAIC for quite a few years, and this new expansion that they have done is beyond excitement for me.